Hey guys, Rodney Walker here with Grant Central USA and Get Funded with Rodney. I'm over right now at the Grant community blog, and I want to point out a recent article that was done on July the 9th. It's dealing with grant writing and how to build credibility with your budget narrative. And this is really important because you're developing your needs statement, you're developing your program narrative, and you're doing all of these things, but it's going to be important for you to make sure that all of those things are in alignment with your budget. And also when you're doing federal government grants, that it is in alignment with your budget narrative. And so there's a helpful article here that you want to take a look at, but I want to talk about this budget narrative a little bit more. And I want to point out a couple of things that are really, really important as it relates to it. You want to make sure that you do have a clear connection with your budget and your program goals and objectives. And the reason that this is so important is that they both need to be in alignment. They should not be saying different things, because when you start saying different things, it sends off a different message. So you want to make sure that everything is current, as well as that everything is congruent. And so there are some helpful tips listed on the article. And if you will take a look at it and make sure that you build credibility by being consistent, by everything matching up, it's going to add strength and it's going to enhance your proposal, and it's going to allow you to come off more polished versus someone who's not doing that. And as you see here, there's some other tips. Ensure that your language conveys a sense of stewardship for the government's investment. Remember, it is definitely an investment, and it's an investment of our tax dollars that are going to helping to make the community stronger. So make sure that you pay attention to those things and you will be on the right track. For some additional comments, I have listed here some information on the budget narrative and building credibility. Check that out. And then also remember, go, if you already haven't done so, to Get Funded with Rodney. And there are a number of different videos that I've done just for you to help you to learn more about grants and becoming a grant writer and the grant process. And remember, while you're there, to subscribe and hit the notification, and I will see you soon. All the best.